bathroom. I tell you to get rid of the lizard, them wild lizard in the bathroom.
So a lizard make you scream so?
What do you mean if a lizard make me scream? You alright?
You kill the lizard?
It's your job to kill it.
Alright. Which point of the bathroom the lizard is?
It's not in there anymore. It jumped on me in the bathroom and I have to rush out and I didn't get to wash off properly.
Where say a while ago?
Listen, I not even get for wash off.
No, I'm not talking about that. Where you say before that?
The lizard jump on me?
Babe.
Hi, baby.
Oh yeah, cool.
You want to say you want some chicken and dumpling and food, so of course that's to make my man happy. I don't want to divorce me.
Yeah. Want to ask you something? When last I see your monthly thing.
Derek, don't be weird. It's period. You can say period.
Yeah.
God.
Yeah.
I don't know. About a month and week ago. Who's counting? I think it's late.
About a month or a week ago?
No, about a month and a week ago. So the last one was about a month and a week ago. Yeah.
So you don't think you should have told me about that?
No, why would I worry about that? It's always late.
But I'm worried now.
Baby, you don't have to be worried. Remember, we're always using protection.
Yeah, that's the thing that I'm saying to, like, we always use protection, so always.
Except for the times that I wore the holes in it, but we're always using protection.
You use what?
A pin and wore holes in it. So it was this conversation that me and Akilia was having actually. It's funny because it was around the time when you told me that I'm crazy and you're gonna leave me, blah blah blah. Still here. So Akilia was like giving me some advice. She was like, girl, she asked me if you like we use protection. I'm like, yeah, we use protection. So so then she's like, girl, if that man wants you, he's gonna get you pregnant. I'm gonna breed you. So I'm like, girl, how do I get him to want to breed me? You know, like I was really interested. And then she's like, well, sometimes you have to take matter in your own hands because we both know you can be a little bit stubborn for real. Because jaja. So I decided that I was going to guide you towards your future. You know, that's why I have to push you sometimes towards your dreams because I know you're not gonna make the right decisions for yourself. So I made the decision, baby, to start our family. I don't like how you seem worried. You should be happy. I'm gonna be a father.